Hi everyone, 皆さんこんにちは. This is Anna. Welcome and welcome back to Circular Space. So today, I would like to show you how to hold and use chopsticks. So chopsticks are commonly used in Asian countries such as Japan, and in Australia, as Asian cuisine gets more and more popular and a lot of Asian restaurants are opening, you have more opportunities to use chopsticks. However, using chopsticks can be very different from using other utensils such as knives, forks, and spoons. And for beginners, it can be difficult and sometimes even maybe a bit frustrating. While you can always ask for a fork, and especially at home, you can use a fork to eat your food, some people might want to learn how to use chopsticks confidently and comfortably. So today, I'm going to show you how I learned how to hold chopsticks and use chopsticks, and how easy and comfortable they can be once you get the hang of them. So here we go. So first, you're going to pick up just one chopstick. So leave the other one on the table. And you're going to use your thumb, index finger, and middle finger to hold it like a pen. And just above the halfway line, so around here, just like that. And your ring finger and pinky should just be resting like this. And you're going to practice moving this chopstick up and down, like draw a one or a line, just like that. So this is the movement you want to be able to do, because this is the only chopstick that you're going to be moving. So the one on the bottom is not going to move, only the top one. So you want to practice this and be able to do this before you pick up the second chopstick. So once you're comfortable with this movement, you're going to pick up the other one and put it through the hole here, just underneath, and rest it on your ring finger and the base of your thumb. And you want to have around 2 centimeter gap here, just like that. And you're going to do the same movement as before, not moving the bottom chopstick, just like this. So the bottom one, you can see, is not moving, and only the top one is moving. You don't want to cross over. You don't want to be holding them too low. It's going to be very difficult. Or too high. It's going to be difficult to move the top one. So you're going to be holding it just above the halfway line and only move the top one. So I'm going to try picking up a soybean. So only moving the top one. Ta-da! So again, you can practice with just one chopstick like this. And once you're comfortable with this, put the other one in, and you don't need to move it. Just relax. Just rest it on your ring finger and move the top one as before. So I hope that was helpful and you can practice and learn how to use chopsticks comfortably and confidently. I think it will make eating Asian food more enjoyable if you can use chopsticks. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next episode. Have a good day!